here's my lovely little shade area. But if you're not paying attention, there are invasive weeds that you need to get. This is a black swallowwort here. I'm breaking the thing. Okay, look at this thing. And hiding in here amongst my hydrangeas, which P.S. I carved off a different hydrangea a couple years ago, is bittersweet out of nowhere. Do you see this? This is the one that has the orange root. You've got to get this at the root. But these things hide in plain sight. They're just insidious. So you have to look around your yard and see what you have that you didn't realize and get it while it's young, as opposed to waiting until later and having to deal with it. This is Tree of Heaven right here. Very unassuming. Gotta get the root.